We are located about 30 minutes outside of New York City, so we're in a very, very safe, suburban, green grass area, beautiful golf course across the street in Scotch Plains, and we're only 30 minutes away from New York City. So our students love coming to our school, they love the safe environment, they love the tradition of excellence of our school, and then the ability to go into New York City on the weekends. We have a lot that we offer. I'm a Union Catholic graduate myself. My father worked at Union Catholic for about 40 years before he retired. I went to Union Catholic, I attended Union Catholic and graduated from Union Catholic, and now I'm on the administration of Union Catholic for the past 24 years. So it's a place that we love. We think it's a really, really good school. We have a large Filipino population already at Union Catholic, and we look forward to the opportunity for your students to come to Union Catholic as well. And I'll pass the microphone over to Dr. Dixon.
Director of School Counseling, so I oversee students' success or academic success, but also make sure that mentally, emotionally, they're very healthy, they have a lot of opportunities to grow. One of our mottos is become all God calls you to be. And so we really look at it, that they have good academic support, that they're able to reach all of their goals. We offer many different levels of their academics, so if they're very strong in one subject but weaker in another, we can help them pick a program that is best for them, and then we also help them transition to college. So students can enroll in college courses right while they're in high school. So they can get a high school transcript and then earn up to a year's worth of college credit while they're also in school with us. So that gives students an opportunity to meet colleges. We do a college fair each year where over 100 different colleges come and visit our students, and then gives them an opportunity to earn scholarships and admissions to those colleges right in high school. I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Tan.
My last name actually means famous. I've been teaching at Union Catholic for 30 years now. So, pwede akong mag-Tagalog. So I've been teaching in English for 30 years now. So I want to take this opportunity to use Tagalog dahil namimiss ko na mag-Tagalog sa classroom. So, teacher ako ng religion, but I went to the States in '94 as a student. So, I was given a full tuition scholarship at Fordham University. And so I took my master's there, and right after I finished my master's degree, I started teaching at Union Catholic. And the rest is history. Now, Union Catholic is a very faith-filled environment, and there's a strong sense of community. And it's a very diverse group of students and teachers alike. And gusto kong maranasan ng mas maraming Pilipino yung naranasan ko ng 30 years. Na mabigyan ng oportunidad yung mga kabataan natin na mapagbuti yung sarili nila at mabigyan ng karanasan na naranasan ko din na isang karanasan ng mas malalim na pananampalataya, pagtanggap sa ibang tao at pagtanggap sa mga differences, diversity, and being more inclusive. And so, kung may mga katanungan kayo, I'm open to answer any questions and share with you my own personal experiences. And I think that's it. So,